Hey y'all, welcome to another learning episode of Wash Rat Academy. Me and my cousin brother Clem, we're gonna show you how to do some roof washing. Now when it comes to washing a roof, you gotta think about all kinds of heights and angles and algebra and stuff. Gets tricky. Don't think about it again, Clem, you're gonna hurt yourself. Typically, when you wanna wash a roof, you stay down on the ground and you use your pressure washer to shoot up on the roof. But truth is, you can't get it all done, get it all nooks and crannies that way. That's why me and cousin brother Clem, we get us a ladder and we go up on the roof. Before y'all start preaching and talking to me smack about how that ain't safe, know that we got a saying at Wash Rat Academy: safety third. What's the first rule of Wash Rat Academy? Look good. Part 2, have fun. And C, safety. That's why we're gonna go ahead and tie this safety line around cousin brother Clem's waist and get him secured off to do this right. Let's do this. All right, Clem's up there getting himself tied off, and then we're gonna show you the best way to power wash a roof. Man, if you want something done right. Okay, so that's a little bit about roof washing there, and I think if you just get your knot tying straight, you're gonna be just fine.
Don't be a wash rat. Get the right gear and the right training at Powerwash.com.